Alright, so this lesson we are going to be focusing on adding and subtracting and doing that with word problems. So the first word problem is Mariah and James went to the pumpkin patch. Mariah picked out 3 pumpkins and James picked out 4 pumpkins. How many pumpkins did they pick all together? So we're going to draw out Mariah picked out 3 pumpkins and James picked out 4. And all together we are going to count these circles that are pumpkins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all together they picked out 7 pumpkins. The next question is Erica had 10 pieces of candy. She gave 2 pieces to Jeff and 2 pieces to Nick. How many pieces of candy does Erica have left? So it says that she gave 2 pieces to Jeff, so we are going to cross out these 2 pieces, and then 2 pieces to Nick, so we're going to cross out these 2 pieces. So how many pieces of candy does Erica have left? So we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Erica has 6 pieces of candy left. Alright, so there were 8 birds sitting on a branch. 6 of the birds were yellow. So we're going to circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you see, there are 2 birds left that are not yellow. So the answer is 2. And the final question is there are 2 snails. 7 more come along. How many snails are there altogether? So you see that there are 2 on the screen. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more come along. So all together there's 1, 2, plus the 7 more, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 snails in total.